Hey Bottom Bumpers, what's on the hook today? We are doing something I've never done on the channel. We are creek fishing. We're just going for suckers. There ain't no bluegill or smallmouth, anything like that in this creek. I'm just going for suckers, and I'll start with this little crappie jig. Little black and pink little crappie jig. Let's get it. There's a crawdad right here, guys. Dang it, wish you could see it on the camera, but I'm not gonna guess you can. He is not trying to peach this thing at all, though. Oh, we turned around for it. I think I'm making him mad. By the way, guys, there's a lot of sticks, rocks, and stuff in this creek, so there's gonna be a few times I'll get hung up. Well, maybe not probably just a little, probably more than a few, but I'm not even really seeing any minnows and stuff like I usually do. Mom, I got a crawdad out of the water. See it? Oh, there. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm like, see this tree right here? I'm just gonna kind of like do that, and I'm just watching it disappear. Like, I just seen one on it. I have no idea why I didn't eat it. Guys, you see all these minnows and stuff right under there? I don't know if you could see them on camera, but there are thousands of minnows right there. And I'm sure some of these minnows are pretty dang big. I just seen one that's decent size, that's big enough to eat this. Now, some of these like to eat these. Some of them like to eat little jigs and stuff like that. Some of them like to eat little jigs and stuff like that. So you can come down here and sometimes, just sometimes, catch them. This is the only place I've actually seen any minnows or anything swimming around. Oops. I seen it. I seen this thing and I just watched it disappear. Not even. Got a little creek chub. Hey guys, got my first one so far. This is what they look like. Just little creek chubs. Not nothing. Oh my gosh, I hate touching this. Casting it back up under that tree, and that little thingy, this little creek chub, hit it. How fat is this guy? He's not the fattest. They are not good to eat, let me promise you that. There, they got like that mark where they kind of sound like look like a shiner. But they're actually not a shiner. They're a little creek chub. Oh, look at that frog. Frog. Nice little guy. Tiny guy. Frog right there, guys. Mom, should I? Let's get back to fishing. We're at we're at a bridge that has, it's in another part of the creek that has creek chubs in it. By the way, I said it wrong. I said suckers. They're creek chubs. It has creek chubs in it. It's a part of the creek. And I'm doing that jig I showed you at the first part of the video. Holy shit. Mom, I probably just seen I seen the biggest creek chub like I've ever. Oh, I seen one like 9 times. I seen one like 2 times the size of it. Oh, no, no, no. Where's sister going? Yeah, I just caught a second creek chub. Oh, there we go. Down here at this new place, it's the biggest one too. Kid, open your mouth. Yep, little thing. I seen a giant creek chub walk go. Like, I don't see him right now. Oh, I see him right now. I see him. He is so giant. I don't even know. He'll hook it for sure. He was looking at my jig a while ago. He went under the bridge. I don't know where. See you later, little bud. Here he goes. Holy. Yeah, that's the second one of the day. So let's try to catch some more fish. Dang, I wish that big one. Wish I could find that big one to catch. Wish I can catch that big one. That's a big one right there. That's a big one, Mom. See how big that is? It's big. There's the third one of the day. This spot is always a money. Stop it. Stop. This spot's always the money. So, come on. Oh, you slapped the GoPro. Come on, you buddy. Slow down. Just getting ready to go check out the other side because I seen a couple big ones go to the other side. Holy, calm it down, bud. I don't want to drop you because you're the biggest one so far. Yeah, there's the biggest one so far. He's a pretty big one too, though. He's like the biggest one so far. He is. He's a decent sizer. I want to compare him up to this jig that he ate. Their mouths are small too, though, so just compare him up. Oh yeah, he should be perfect to eat that. Yeah, pretty big one, dude. I hope I'll catch you later. Tell your friend to go over there, come over here. I'll catch him later. There he goes. He looks big in the water. I want to say it was that big one, but I don't think it was. I think that big one was way bigger than that. It was bigger than that for sure, though. Like, for sure bigger. I want to see what this side's like. Yeah, it's pretty deep, but it ain't like as deep as the other side. I don't really like this side. That side, I like this side where you catch fish. This side you could catch more fish. Guys, that's gonna end off the video today. Subscribe to my videos, like the video. I hope you guys have a good day. See you in the next time.